Hi guys, our next topic is defamation. What is defamation? Defamation is a legal term that refers to any statement made by a person, whether verbal or printed, that causes harm to another person's reputation or character. A defamatory statement made in writing or published it is considered libel, or defamatory statement that is spoken is considered slander. One is libel, next is slander. Defamation is not considered a criminal act but a civil wrong. As the constitution of the majority of countries promise their citizens freedom of speech, there is often a fine line between exercising that right and making defamatory statements that harm another person. Defamation and the laws. According to Article 17 of the United Nations International Covenant on Civil and Political Rights, no person may be subjected to unlawful interference with his family, home, privacy, honor, or reputation. It also specifies that every person has the right to be protected against such interferences. While defamation of character is not considered a criminal act in the United States, a person accused of making defamatory statements can be sued in civil court for monetary damages. They may also be forced to retract the statement made, especially if they were published in a public forum such as a newspaper or online. Element of a defamation lawsuit. Defamation law differ for various countries, but commonly there are accepted standards that are universal. When a person believes he has been a victim of libel or slander, filing a civil lawsuit may help him obtain a court order for the defendant to withdraw the defamatory remarks and perhaps to issue a public apology. If the victim proves his defamation case, he may be awarded monetary damages for his pain and suffering as well as any monetary losses he may have suffered as a result of the libel or slander. Required elements of a defamation lawsuit include: number 1, a defamatory statement was made. Number 1. Next, the statement made was published in some fashion, meaning it was told to others either verbally or in writing. Next, the statement was not true and the person who published the statement knew that it was not true. Next, the statement caused the victim harm or injury emotionally or financially. Next is injury caused by a defamatory statement. The statement must have directly caused harm or injury to the victim. Defamation can cause two main types of injury. Number 1, harm to reputation. Number 2, financial harm. Harm to reputation: the loss of job, loss of customers, causing the victim to become a social outcast. Financial harm include the victim, whether personally or as a business owner, experience loss of business or money, or incurs expenses in the attempt to repair his reputation. Next, defenses to a claim of defamation. When a person accused of defamation, the law looks at many factors. Some common defenses to a claim of defamation may include statement made in good faith, opinion, verbal abuse, unbelieved statement. First, we will learn about statement made in good faith. The person who made the statement aptly believed that the statement were true. Number two, opinion. Because opinions are considered subjective and not necessarily false, they are not considered defamatory. Verbal abuse. If a statement made is not to be taken literally or believed, such as name calling in anger, it is not considered defamatory. Unbelieved statement. If the person hearing the defamatory statement does not believe it or does not take an interest in it, the statement is considered not to have harmed the victim's reputation in any way. Next, internet defamation and social media. With the expansion of social media and public heavy reliance on the internet, the opportunity for publishing defamatory statement or internet defamation has grown immensely. With outlets such as Facebook, Twitter, people can instantly publish statements that reach thousands of people. For this reason, the laws concerning defamation apply to statements made online, where private individuals or the public as a whole can view them. Other common outlets for internet defamation include private and public blogs. Defamation in social media and on the internet are generally easy to track, making it important that people carefully consider what they post concerning other people. Thank you.